Hey y'all, Dennis's Backyard Barbecue. Today, I'm gonna grill some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and we're gonna do them on the big green egg. Now, I've already got them out of the package and put them in a gallon Ziploc bag. Now all we gotta do is season them up and then we'll get them on the grill. Okay, we're gonna season it with some black pepper, some Big Papa's Hallelujah Jalapeno rub, and garlic salt. So what we're gonna do is I got my bag and it's got 4 or 5 little thighs in it. I didn't count when I put them in there. But I'm gonna put probably, I don't know, I'm gonna call that 2 tablespoons full of garlic salt. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of the jalapeno rub. Then we're gonna do about another tablespoon, not quite a tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna seal this up. I don't want to let the air out of it because I want it to have room to move around. Now I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Okay, so we got a nice little coating on there. And that's all we need. We don't need a whole lot of seasoning. Now I'm gonna let it sit like this for a couple of hours, then we're gonna throw them on the grill. All right, so we got our green egg at 300 degrees. Now we're gonna put our thighs on. And I didn't count them when I was seasoning them up. Let's see how many we got. Now I'm doing these indirect at 300 degrees. I'm gonna take them to 165. All right, so I got, so there's 5 of them. A couple of them are kind of thick, so let's see if we can't spread the, ooh, that looked like a little chef piece right there. Let's see what we got when we spread them out here. I don't know if y'all can hear that in the background. I'll show it to you. It's kind of cold down here tonight in South Carolina. So since it is cold, let's get this covered up first. We're gonna run these at 300 degrees till we hit 165 internal. That's what you're hearing. Look at those again. Yep, those are gonna be good. All right, let's shut it back down. We're gonna let them cook till we hit 165. I will be using my little favorite tool, my ThermoPro Lightning. They're not sponsoring. That is just, I love that tool. All right, so we're gonna shut it down. Probably gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll turn them one time in probably about 30 minutes. All right, let's let them cook. Okay, let's see what these things are internal. They've been on for about 30 minutes. Let's see, can y'all see that? About 154 on that one, 144, 155. The thinner ones obviously are going to be hotter. And then let's try this one. Let's try this one in a different place, 153. All right, so let's go ahead and flip them. They've been on about 30 minutes. And I love doing them this way because I'm cooking them indirect and they're gonna be so tender. Actually, what I might do is take some of these thinner ones and just stack them. Just give them a little break from the heat because they're all still gonna cook. All right, so let's lock it back down. And I'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, in one of my recent videos, I teased y'all that ThermoPro has come up with a Wi-Fi temperature spike. You use the app on your phone, and it's not Bluetooth, it's Wi-Fi. So you can go wherever you want to go and monitor your Boston butt. You can monitor whatever you want to do. Anyway, they're not sponsoring this video, but I did want to give y'all a heads up. I will put a link down in the description that you can get it. Use Dennis30 and you get 30% off. So just want to let y'all know that. Also in the description, I'm going to put the recipe for these thighs, and I've already had 2 little chef's tastes of them, and man, are they good. And I'll put my Amazon link and my normal ThermoPro links, and you can either use ThermoPro 20 for 20% off of anything you buy, $30 or more, or you can use DBB15 to save 15% off with no minimum. I wanted to let y'all know about that. I'm supposed to get that new piece of equipment here in the next few days, and as soon as I get it, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then we're gonna review it. And because sometimes they sponsor our videos, you're gonna get a straight up review. Now let's get back to cooking. Okay, let's check things out. Let's pull the lightning out. I think we're good. Yep, that's 170, 170, 180. That's gonna be a little warm. Yeah, but we are good. Okay, so our temperatures are where we want them to be. So let's pull these off. I wish you could hear the sizzle coming off the grill. Close my grill down. What y'all think? Let's have a taste. All right, y'all. Let me take this off. I don't want to blind y'all. I got to redo some lighting out here on the patio. Man, it is a balmy 65 degrees here in front of that big old heater that y'all probably can hear. All right, so here's what let's do. I've already had a couple of chef's pieces of this, but I just want y'all to take a look. Okay, this was about 55 minutes at 300 degrees. And man, I can squeeze juice out of that. I like the rub combination that I used. This is one of the best ones that I've run across with that the jalapeno rub and garlic salt and black pepper. Wow. Man. This is our supper, so if I eat it all, Mrs. Dennis' Backyard Barbecue gonna get mad. But I'm gonna eat this one last piece because, man, it's good. Wow. All right, so I gave y'all the little tease about what ThermoPro's got coming down the pipe, and I've been waiting for this for a long time. So as soon as I get it, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I will be doing a roast beef video as soon as I get that new piece of equipment from ThermoPro. So, all that being said, man, I hope y'all do this thigh recipe. It is good. And until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling.